beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my coalistic people, today I just say let me come this way. I shade up because a lot of things they make everybody right now they paranoid. A lot of things they make people they feel say, Abba, which one we dey? Which day your machine go start to the jerk? Which day your agent go start to dey understand? Which day you go know say you and society people not there for the same class? Which day you go sabi to enterpret yourself? May you sit down gidigba. May you know say if you add 1 plus 1 together na 2. But for mathematics for Bongo, for mathematics for Naija, if you dey run am, 1 plus 1 no be 2. 1 plus 1 na 70 for Nigeria politics, of which you don't supposed to know all these things. So now make me come, they call the yarn to my realistic people since when I they watch the video, when they run kitikata, they run kitakata since morning. Say Abba, a lot of people don't turn RIP because of say they go vote today when it be 18th of March 2023. But me want ask my people some kind setting question because he get where they do website they blow grammar. This one not be grammar aspect. This one we won't come as it be. I want to talk as it be. Una know say before this election today when it happened, so videos that they go everywhere when they let you understand say if you know say you no want vote for APC, no near polling units. They make you understand say if you know say you no want vote for APC, move. Another one can still come and they can let you understand say if you know say you be Igbo, no near where they move. Say na today you go know say na dem na get Lagos. See make I tell you, na who dey alive na dey judge case o. Na who dey alive na dey judge case o. Imagine these people were turn RIP today. Which story they want tell Baba God? Which story they want tell people say they go vote or say Nigeria is my country? My brother, my sister, if you not go cast your vote, nothing go do you. If you not go cast your vote, you go see succeed. Nigeria na the survivor of the fittest. Now they live. We don't even understand say now this pattern they won't follow. From the presidential election, you suppose get sense. Take hold your side gidigba. Say at all. Now wish market. But when you there for your own house, when you there for your own cabal, you get rest of mind. Because I never see where they come break your door, come and say you must go cast your vote. I never see where they come hold you for dress, say you must go cast your vote. Now you carry your leg. Your leg now they carry you, they go where you don't know because you believe in one Nigeria. But my realistic people, the truth be say, you not go fit shame the shameless. Now that thing I mean want make our people understand today. You can never shame the shameless. These people, they are not ashamed. Person when you go fit come abroad daylight, tell you say if he see you for polling units, he go massacre, he go jijiga. He go jigawa you. You just see that person they shame. It's not the shame now. I see some people today, they say that they phone international body. Say, can't see what they happen. Come on. You can't shame the shameless. The one when it happened February. They tell you say the highest media for Nigeria not carry them. They carry them, but what it happen? At the end of the day, nothing they happen because anything when it pa now wish. So my realistic people, you supposed to that for your house now. I still give kudos to some market women where be say they come outside, they can't let us know say lie to lie, they know they move, they go anywhere. I beg, I want to see you first of all watch this video, then we go come talk about it more better. Listen to all this for our mama. I too believe their government job.
When we vote number 1, they're not going to count our votes. That's what we vote for. They go promote and they go put another person. That's the one we don't need. Now that they put. Instead of that one, we market women, we don't go vote. All these big men were there for Nigeria, they support. This second one that they support is not good.
I've been flogged out of my unit, flogged out of my Onowale Street, Solo, Ward 7. Flogged out like a common criminal. Look at my neck. Flogged out, and I was just I didn't cause any trouble. I was just standing. I can read them almost voting, and they came out with canes and flogged me out.
To vote as a candidate.
Yeah.
So some of my friends.
Yes.
Before you know it, I saw about 50 boys.
Yes.
About 11 of them were OPC members. They attacked me. They took my gold watch, took my gold bangle.
I'm the witness. I'm the witness.
Tear my clothes, are beating me like a criminal because I'm coming out to vote as a candidate of Labour Party.
Yes.
What have we done to APC in this country? Have we come to run away from APC in this country? Please, Nigerians should arise. Enough is enough for APC. Yes. It's too much for them.
Yes.
Wasu is here. Wasu is here beating people. Wasu Ayinde, the musician, is here beating people. He wants to take pulling voting material into his president.
You mean Kwan One?
Kwan One, yes. Ladia Jamole is there mobilizing criminals to attack Labour Party agents everywhere. And the policemen are there. They are even joining the army to attack Labour Party agents.
After casting vote, it will not be counted. So no need.
So are you saying people that are the polling unit now wasting their time?
You can see what happened in social media, what MC Oluomo said, that if you do not vote, if you know you will not vote for APC, you shouldn't bother coming out to vote. So our lives are very, very important. As an Igbo man, as a businessman, I have kids, 4 children, so I shouldn't come out here to vote. At the end, somebody will shoot me because I wanted to go and cast my vote. So that statement alone went viral, and everybody saw it. So you don't expect me to go and cast my vote. On the process, somebody will break my head. At Sulere here, we saw what happened when the Labour Party were doing their campaign. The Labour Party, whatever, presidential, whatever, they break his head and do all those things. So it's as if our election is violent. So I decided to come and ease in myself and do exercise instead of going there to cause violence.
But the same MC Oluomo came out yesterday and said he was only joking. So didn't you see that video?
That means Nigeria is a joke. It's something that came out at Rise Television. Even what's his name? Rufai said it. That this thing is blaspheming. How can you come out and say if you're not coming to vote for APC, that means you don't have choice? So I have children who I will cater for. I'd rather go and ease myself instead of going there to risk my life.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Do you have faith in the electoral system?
I don't have any single faith in it. So let us just keep going. Look at what happened in presidential. Our mandate was taken over from us. So what are we doing? So we just want to. Yeah. I'm Stephen by name. Yeah. Stephen Ekegalo. My friend called me Speaker. Yeah.
Thank you.
And the other eye, I guess the other eye was beating.
Yes, you get a first slap me. Please look at this, my brother. He was seriously injured in the polling unit today. Oh my God.
Injured or beating?
But everybody know they see this one. I got to video this man well, upload them to my laptop. Guy.
This was where the Naija from come. No,
They're not going
and everywhere is so dry. I mean, I'm just getting here now and I went to vote. Like, there's no queue, like, everywhere is dry. After what happened during the presidential election, I'm sure that's why most persons do not bother coming out to vote, but this is too bad. Like, very, very bad. I guess I will have to wait for them to call results today.
As you can see. So we have some people that were attacked by dogs trying to scare voters down at the polling unit at the bridge. So we are one of them. What happened?
I got there this morning by something to 7, 2 minutes to 7. And then while I was there, I met few calls to get some people to bring seats for us so that we'll be able to sit down and canopy. And after some time, I saw one of the agents of a political party come in and he started making calls. After like 10 minutes, some talks came in. They came straight to me, telling me that we should forget about voting in our polling unit. As the polling unit is just the polling unit by Festac Link Bridge. That we are not going to vote. I asked him why. He said this Omo Igbo. that we can't vote in this place, that is not allowed, except if I want my car burnt or if I want to live here dead as a corpse. I said, okay, I turned my car facing the exit. They came and started breaking my car. They hit with their big stick. They hit me and broke my my mirror too. We equally went back there and they started beating me, slapping me and hitting me. Is that how we're going to be one Nigeria? One can't be allowed to exercise his right as a citizen to vote. It's wrong. It's very bad. I don't like it. Thank you.
So I'm on to the next person that was also attacked too.
What's your name, please? My name is Fabian. So we got there on that bridge. They said we should go. This is not our estate. We are not going to vote there. Going back, some boys rushed me. I don't know if he has a stone with him. He hit me on the head. I have to fight back. So this is the blood on my body. We met some staff. I don't know if they are Enoug staff. They have some. Said okay that we should go back. We should leave them for now and go back.
That means no need to say the
We are not uploading. If you want us to vote, we will vote you now. But if you don't want us to vote you, no problem. We are not uploading. We are not uploading. We are not uploading. We are not uploading. Your political agents, they are all aware of it. We are not uploading. We are not uploading. We are not uploading. We are not to upload. We are not uploading.
Mona can give you one give. I no vote.
Uploading.
One can they suffer myself here. Now,
My people, you see the matter when I just they talk like this, kitty kitty kata kata. A lot of people they run for their dear life. A lot of people carry shoe for head to take off. A lot of people go house with injury. A lot of people they borrow person leg to move comot. A lot of people turn RIP. Now, you know say we get stubborn head. At the end of the day, wetin we go shout, I die no. If you like, you fight your sister. If you like, you fight your brother. You see all these politicians, after this election, they go turn to friends. After this election, they go start to whine. They go start to drink. They go start to they dance together. They go party up party, traveling with their family and so many other lovely things. But where you did? You where you don't get one leg. When they tie your leg today, when they give you tie, wetin go happen? You and your one leg. Now history you don't make be that. You don't make history. In fact, they go crown you the hero of 2023 election. Now they go crown you. But you know what? No wages, no prize, no payments, no wages, nothing. As you take on, that's so you go. If your family member not get money to take care of you, you are on your own. So my realistic people, I just come make I go tell my people say shoo. Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen? I be think say wetin happen for presidential election. People go cause okay for that. I beg no need. They still risk their life. I see say Nigeria, so I really love this country, but now the country, now I no love una. Not true. Make una try, make una upgrade. It don't reach when election time you go sit down for your house. That's one I be you dey beat pikin. You say make it cry. The pikin no go gree cry. If the video I say for polling unit say nobody come outside, now there you for make history. If you sit down for your house for Nigeria election, they can't say nobody come polling units. INEC official go there, they not see anybody. You make history. By now, CNN for those they carry Nigeria matter. But because of say we know they hear word, we believe everything believable. Now make wetin happen give us now. Still they happen again. But I don't deliver. You say next time you go get sense. Next time you go visit this pattern when I tell you, you go succumb. So thank you so much, everybody. When they watch this video, I really appreciate you. I beg not forget me. You subscribe to Progress News for YouTube because we they bring out they come as they hot. And we they let our people they understand say life now one not be duplicates. Thank you so much, everyone, and bye-bye.